These all are the example of operating systems. You can say that, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
But how it is work in a computer? You know, when you're without your OS, computer will start.
No, ma'am. We need operating
Yes.
system for that.
Yes, we need operating system because without operating system, we can't work anything in computer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Currently, I have no material beta, but uh, I will prepare for your syllabus, right? You send me the syllabus.
Yes, ma'am. I already sent it to you.
Yes, yes, beta. But you have currently sent it, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I have some times for that. Okay. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes. First of all, introduction of operating system, right? So, uh, operating system is basically you can say is a heart of your computer, right? Because without heart we can't work.
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
as computer without OS, computer cannot work easily, right? Easily, but not work, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, in operating system so many diagrams are there, but currently I have not, but I show you in later. First of all, जो आपके in your syllabus uh, classification of operating system, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Photo is your picture is blur, but I think so is a classification operating system, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm extremely sorry for that.
It's okay, beta. Okay. Or second chapter has spreadsheet function and charts, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a do in Excel. You know what is Excel?
Yes, ma'am. It's an application to
Yes, very good.
update data.
Yes. It is an application. Okay, it's a look like a table, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it has combination of row and column.
Columns, yeah.
Yes, it is called cell.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. You can say you mention column name as well as particular row wise, right?
Yes.
Okay, it has so many functions are there for numeric function, for character string functions are there, right? You can say also you make a chart of in Excel, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. Right? You can make easily from following the step of an Excel, right?
Yes, ma'am.